Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel and you're seeing for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, and to all my old subscribers, you are all welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk about how I grew my last hair past shoulder length in 5 months. You guys, last year was a very good year for me, and my hair grew a lot last year, and it happened because I became more intentional about growing my hair. I really wanted to grow my hair, so I started doing a lot of things to try to grow my hair, and I'm going to list about 4 different things that I really used consistently last year to grow my hair past my shoulder length. So if you're interested to know what I did, then sit tight and keep on watching this video. Now, without wasting time, I'm going to go straight to the first thing I used to grow my hair, and that is hair oils. Now, what I mean by hair oils, I'm going to differentiate. I did some DIY hair oils, some Ayurvedic hair growth oils that I did that grew my hair, and at the same time there were other normal carrier oils that I incorporated in my hair regimen, that I added to my hair products that I used to help fasten my hair growth. And I'm going to list the top 5 oils that I use. You guys, I have a bunch of hair oils. If I start showing you guys my container of hair oils, I'm sure you're going to scream, but I'm going to list like the top 5 oils that I consistently used to grow my hair. And now the first one is grapeseed oil, second one is jojoba oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, and my peppermint oil that I love so much. Now, when it comes to Ayurvedic hair oils, you know that I've done a lot of Ayurvedic hair oils on this channel, and the first one that I used that worked properly for me was my Chebe powder and fenugreek hair growth oil. You guys, that oil was the bomb. It worked for me, and currently I still have another oil that has been infusing for about 2 weeks. It's exactly 13 days since I started infusing this oil, and I plan to infuse this for about 1 month before I start using it. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to link that video in the description box to see how I made this Ayurvedic oil. Now, the second oil that I did that grew my hair was my onion hair growth oil. If you watch my last 2 videos, you will know that I used that oil when I was still on my protective style, when I did my cornrows, and I used that oil twice a week. Guys, I used that onion hair growth oil and I started seeing results in the second week. You guys, the difference that I saw in the second week was much, and it was more than I expected. So if you've not watched that video, I'm going to link that video in the description box, or you can just scroll through my channel and you will see the tutorial. I just did it not long ago, but I'm still going to link that video in the description box so you can watch it. And if you really want to try to know whether this oil works or not, try to put your hair in cornrows and use that onion hair growth oil twice a week. Try this for about 2 weeks. If you don't see results, please come back here and tell me that you didn't see results. It really worked for me. My hair grew out a lot. I saw visible growth on my hair, so that's one oil I can actually swear by. So I also have other hair growth oils that I've done on my channel that I added hair fertilizer and so for it. So I'm going to link all those oils down below. Those oils helped me a lot when I was in my protective style. Now, if you're not even carrying a protective style and you still want to use any of these oils, especially the onions oil, because that onions oil, you have to apply it and leave it for about 1 hour and then wash it out. You can do that on your hair, and you can just section your hair, apply the onion oil, cover your hair and leave for about 1 hour, chill, and then you wash it out with your conditioner and shampoo, and that's it. It works wonders. So now I'm going to go into the next one. The next thing that I did that really grew my hair was my rice water spray. Now, I'm going to be very truthful with you people. I'm going to be very truthful. When it comes to this rice water spray, I tried the first method of doing rice water, where you have to boil the rice and then ferment the water and use. Now, that method didn't work for me. In fact, after doing that, my hair was extremely dry and my hair was breaking because my hair was now in chunk. Everything was just my hair was sticking together, and I had to detangle my hair, and my hair was breaking badly. That was my first experience with rice water, so that method didn't work for me until I actually found the Yellow Women rice water recipe, and I tried it using so I tried that method, and I infused it with peppermint oil and grapeseed oil. So after infusing it and fermenting it for 1 month, it was smelling very nice, and I really loved it. So now the Yellow Women rice water method is what I've been using, and this is what I have left. You guys, you can't believe that I've had this since last month, and this is how it looks. I'm going to smell it now and see if it's still smelling nice. It still smells nice. It smells really nice. And I'm actually keeping this for my next relaxer. This particular recipe, I'm keeping this one for my next relaxer, which is going to be next month. As you can see, it is still very good and it's not spoiled at all. I'm going to use this on my next relaxer. Now the normal one that I normally spray on my hair is this one. As you can see, there are 2 different recipes. So this one is for my next relaxer day, and this one is the one that I regularly spray on my hair, because right now everywhere is hot and dry, so my hair dries out fast. So this is the one that I normally spray on my hair right now. So for this particular one, I don't wash it out because it's not too concentrated, so I can just spray on my hair and then wash my hair during the weekend whenever I'm doing my wash routine. For this one, I normally wash this one out because it has already fermented for more than a month. But this one is not even, I just fermented this one for a day. I just left this one to ferment for a day, and I just use it, and it has been working perfectly for me all along. That's it for the rice water spray. And this is also good if you are actually doing a protective style and you need something to moisturize your hair. You can use this rice water spray, this one that you don't have to wash out, and spray on your hair and just go wherever you're going to. But you can still use the second method and wash your hair while your hair is still on cornrows. Anyone you want to do is fine. The third thing I'm going to talk about is my ginger onion juice recipe. I don't think I've done that particular recipe on this channel before. I don't think I've done that, but I've done a ginger hair butter on this channel. Link that in the description box as well. And now, I never knew ginger and onion was even a thing when it comes to hair growth, as I didn't know before. But ever since I found out this secret hair growth recipe, it has been working for me. It has been working wonders for me. Now I'm going to just give you guys a little rundown of how I incorporate ginger and onion into my hair, but I'll still make a video on that for you guys later on. So how I do this is I just blend. I normally use red onion, so I blend my onion and blend my ginger, and then what I do is I strain the water out and I add amla powder to it, and also add peppermint oil to help mask the smell of the onion. And then I just apply it to my hair and leave my hair for some time. Depending on my mood that day, I can leave it for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even more if I am not at home, if I am at home and I am not going anywhere. And after that, I just look for any conditioner and shampoo that has nice scent. So just look for my best conditioner and shampoo and wash my hair, because I must say one bad thing about this is that it smells very bad. So if you know you will not be able to cope with the smell, then this may not be for you. But if you can do this and then get a conditioner that has a very nice scent and then use it to wash your hair. I promise once you do that, the smell is going to go away. And when you're done, you can use argan oil or jojoba oil to apply to your hair. It's going to help your hair smell very, very nice. So that's it for the onion and ginger recipe. Now the last and final advice, or what I actually did to grow my hair, this is the last thing that I feel I have to mention in this video, because people don't have patience most times. You use something for the first time and you just expect it to work like magic. You expect your hair to grow to waist length overnight. It doesn't work that way. Anything you are doing, be it Ayurvedic hair products, organic hair products, even skincare products. So what I'm trying to say in essence is have patience with anything you're using on your hair. I know some people will come on here and be like, you post a lot of hair growth oils, a lot of hair growth butters, a lot of hair growth recipes, and keep asking which one should we use, which one what is working, because you don't just use everything at once. The reason why I make these videos is because this one may work for you and this one may not work for you. So as for me, I keep on experimenting different things on my hair every day, and I just anyone I do and see that one works for me, I would like to share with you guys. And what you have to do is just to keep trying until you find a particular recipe that works for you. Then you can decide to stick with it. For me, I'm open to trying new things on my hair. Through that process, I've learned a lot of things. New products that work faster and the ones that are just good. And yeah, so you just have to have patience and grow your hair. Patience, you need a lot of patience to grow your hair. And please don't apply onion juice on your hair or onion hair growth oil on your hair once and expect magic to happen, like I said. So before you conclude whether a product works for you or not, I will advise you use that product for at least 1 month to 3 months. And if nothing happens, if you don't see any difference between the space of 1 month to 3 months, then you can stop using it if it doesn't work for you. But I believe any good product that is going to work for you, even 1 month is enough for that product to work. Even 1 month is enough for you to see results using that particular product. So that's it for this video. I think I've spoken enough. So to avoid making this video longer, I'm going to stop here, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things in this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.